Okay, this is the last video. You would not believe how many videos I made today. I think I'm gonna die. I'm really glad this is the last one. Okay, here we go. Parallel, partial series. So this is gonna be a combination circuit. Okay, so I'm gonna go up here. Need to give each of these guys an ammeter. And then let's stick another ammeter down here, another resistor, and another circle. Okay. All right, so now I have a parallel branch, right, with my R1, my R1 and R2 in a branch are parallel, are in a series with this guy down here, R3, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and look, 0 volts. All right, I don't know the total, so let's see what else do I know here. I don't know any current, so I can't fill in any ammeters, okay, but I could calculate some, but let's go and see what else there is. Okay, but I see that my last resistor has a 12 volt drop. So I know it's 0, right, on the other side of the resistor. And if it's going to have a 12 volt drop, that means that it's going to have to be 12 volts on this side. I should probably put another circle there. Okay, so that 12 is going to carry all the way around. All right. And then I see the top parallel one has a 5 volt drop. Well, if it ends at 12 and it had to drop by 5, this is going to have to be 17. Okay. And if this is a 5 volt drop across the top, it's going to also have to be that across the bottom because those are in parallel. 5. Okay, so let's go ahead and calculate. V equals IR. Okay, 5 equals half times 10. Okay, and 12 equals 4 times 3. All right, so let's go ahead and fill these in up here. So my total current is going to be 4 amps, which means that's also going to be the battery current. Right, because that R3 is in the same path, right? That's all one path. Okay, so if across this top, if 0.5 amps of current went that way, and there was a total of 4, that means 3.5 must have gone the other way, right? Because that's going to have to add to 4. Okay, so 5 divided by 3.5 is going to be 1.4. Okay, and then 17 divided by 4 is going to be 4.25. We're not doing this. Okay, right? So remember, you shouldn't just be watching me do it and just scribbling all these numbers and you're not going to know what to do. You have to struggle through this a little bit on your own. Okay, this is more of an answer key than a like teaching video. All right. Okay, so let's do A, B, C, D, C prime, D prime, and then this guy's going to be E, F. So A, B, C, D, E, F, A. We're going to go up to 17, 5, 10, 15, 20, I guess. It's kind of awkward. All right, so we're going to go up to 17. Okay, then I'm going to have this little 5 volt drop to take me down to 12. All right, and that's where my double path is going to be. All right, and then they're going to come back together. And then there's only one path for that last 12 volts of drop back down to A. All right. There you go.